You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course. Hmm?
It's been a while, and honestly, it's time for me to take my passion twist out, and I have not recorded a look with this twist in my head, so I'm only doing this so I can get a look with this hairdo. They look really raggedy, but hey, we're gonna make it work. Okay? So today I want to do something different. I want to play in some colors, and I think I'm gonna be going with the color green today. To get started, I picked up this Makeup Revolution Purifying Primer Water with Cannabis Sativa. And this is what it looks like. And I picked it up from Ulta. So that's what I'm gonna start out with, the primer water. It's a light smell, not much of a smell, but feels good. Feels really good, matter of fact. Since we're doing a strong eye, a very vibrant eye type thing, I'm going to start with the eyeshadow firw so I can clean it up if it gets messy. That's what I recommend. If you're going to be doing a very colorful eye and you a beginner, you don't want to get your foundation and concealer messed up by fallout from the eyeshadow, then I would suggest that you start out with the eyes first, so after it's done you can just clean it up and go from there. Alright, so with this Coastal Scents palette, I'm going to be going in with this. Let me just say, this is my first time trying a 25mm lash. I thought one of the lashes I had on my line was 25. It couldn't have been. I think it was like a 19 or damn 20. This is... Let's see how this goes. It feels so funny. It's so long. Let's do the other eye. It's time to take over. Alright, so for my eyebrows, I'm going to be going in with Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And I believe this is the color 5. I don't know. Yes, it is. I picked up some new goodies, and this is one of them. So let's see how this turns out. And once again, my eyes are done, and I used the Coastal Scents palette with over 120 colors. With 120 colors, all kind of colors in that bad boy. But let's do my brows. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Kiss New York and the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I'm mixing those two together today. For my concealer, I'm going in with the Tarte Double Duty in Tan Deep Sand. It's my first time using this, and I'm excited because I've only heard good things. Now for the contour part, I'm going with the Morphe C555. For my baking powder, I'm going in with the Revolution Banana Deep. check out this bronzer from this MAC palette. I'm actually gonna try out the bronzer and one of the highlighters probably, but